Yo, what's happening, guys? N54 guys, I'm here again. Or Justin, as you guys know me in the groups. Back today. Want to do this video for you guys while we're in winter. I got an update. I got a few things to tell you. We got, 95% of you guys have already seen these turbos in the groups. Like, most of you guys have definitely seen these. You're probably sick of hearing them now, but I've had a lot of, people wanting to see the video, want to see actually what they look like all around, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys all around what these turbos are. These are 1 out of 20 53 dual ceramic ball bearing twin turbos. They were limited production, like I said, 20 sets only made. They cost around $7,000. They actually cost $6,500 exactly. Plus tax and shipping came out closer to around $7,000 when they did come out. They haven't came out for about 3 years now. They've been out of production. I have not seen many people at all. In fact, there's only one person I know, and that's my tuner, Michael Hollingsworth, that has actually ran these turbos themselves. He made 788 wheel horsepower on a Mustang dyno at 26 PSI on a stock motor. I believe he was on Helix 4X at the time when he did that. He doesn't like to get too cocky, so I'm gonna tell you guys this. He went on a dyno jet and made 833 wheel horsepower on a dyno jet after. So I'm pretty confident with these turbos. He's ran them at 30K miles now. 30K miles now. I think it's 28 PSI is his average boost on them on the stock motor, and they pull like a train, he says. So I'm very excited to try these. Let's get to it, guys. Here they are. Look at these. Woo, beautiful. These things are fucking huge, guys. Like, I can't stress it enough. Like, these things are just absolutely massive. I mean, look at my fist compared to them. It's like nearly this. There we go, right? The same angle. It's nearly the size of my fucking fist. Like, this is crazy. The wheel is the size of my fist. That's not the only thing, guys. Like, it's not just the wheel, obviously, the compressor wheel that makes these flow so much. Obviously, they're big. It's actually these manifolds as well. There's a lot of things that come into play with it. These manifolds are fucking huge too. Like, a lot of you guys got these confused with the MMP 1K turbos. These are not the MMP 1K turbos, guys, in the groups. Your buddy has not ran these. They have not blown up on them, so don't talk shit, because unless you show me pictures of them blowing up these turbos exactly, don't talk shit, guys. You don't know anything about them. We got a lot of haters in the group. They're jealous to say they're not gonna make any power. They're gonna blow up. Man, fuck you guys. Go run your single turbos. Why are you even watching my video? Stop watching it. These are badass motherfuckers. Look at this. Look at the size of the outlet. Look at this. There's gonna be some crazy flow in this, all right? Look where the fucking manifolds go in. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm actually gonna snip this video. I'm gonna pause this video because I'm gonna put the light on so you guys can see more inside what they look like. Alright, guys, got the flash on for you now. The light. Look at the size of these fucking turbine wheels. Also 53 millimeter. So you can see there's just your common little weld spots in here. I forgot what it's called exactly. I can't think of the name right now, but these little it's actually very smooth. It's not rough at all. These little spots, they're not smooth. I forgot what it's called. Well, it's something when welding comes in factor, but you look around. This is a gold aluminum analyzed billet Schra, something like that it's called. It's not real gold, guys, obviously, but it's still expensive to make. And like, you don't see any turbos with gold straws, so that's pretty sweet. It looks very clean all around. Let's look at the outlet. Look at the side. Here's my hand, guys. This is my hand. Look at this, the outlet. I'd say I'm a medium-sized person. I'm 5'10", 160 pounds, so I'm like, I'm not the biggest guy, but I'm definitely not the smallest, so just trying to give you a comparison to what they look like if you were to actually hold them yourself. Put them in your hands. Very fucking big. Here's what I want to show you guys too. Look. So then the manifolds go on. Look at the entryway right here. Look at the entryways. Dude, I fit my whole fucking 3 finger I fit in 4 fingers in here right now. I'm fitting all of my fingers. Look at this, inside down there. In the fucking entryway for that. That is insane, guys. Look at that. I mean, you see right through like the wastegate. Now let's look down farther. Look at the, just look at it. Fuck. Would you just look at it, guys? Just look at it. Look at these fucking edges. It's so big, bro. There's so much flow. Here's the outlet, guys. Let's see how many fingers I fit in the outlet. Can we fit 3 in the outlet? We can fit 3 fingers in the fucking outlet. Look at that. That is insane. My fingers are all the way down there. That is insane. I'm very happy how these look, guys. I'm super fucking excited to run these. Look at these manifolds, dude. Beautiful welds, everything. Look at this. Look at this flow, dude. Look at that flow. Oh my gosh. That is some fucking flow. All around, baby. We got flow, guys. Very excited to test these. I hope you like this little unboxing of them, kinda. I mean, the box is right there. It's not really an unboxing because they're brand new still, but they're a second set, so there's not an MMP box. It's a VRSF box that I got them shipped with. I did get them for a very good deal. I'm not gonna lie, I did not spend $7,000 on these, so we'll tell you guys that. So all we're gonna say there. All right, guys, that should wrap up this little review. Where I am gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of another project. So there's the E90 sitting under its cover in the snow. And then here's my new 535 XI. We're gonna do a whole series on this, guys. This is gonna get its own build right here. Maybe not a crazy build, it's my new daily. We got a 2009 LCI 535 XI. It's pretty nice, I love it. Also, I just wanted to note that I posted a TikTok in the groups, a lot of you guys probably seen that too, about them making 1200 horsepower. I said 1200 HP, not WHP. All I know is that these turbos are gonna last me. I'm sure they'll last me at least 5,000, 10,000 miles. I mean, they're ball bearing, guys. They're ball bearing twins. They're supposed to hold up to 46 PSI around that area without blowing up. So, like I said, even if they blow up, I'll run them again, dude. I'll fix them, I'll run them again, if they perform like they should. These are a big step up. These are not DAW Flow Max Plus or anything. These blow all of those turbos out the water. These are the biggest twins by far ever made for the N54 platform. Ever made for the N54 platform. Some of you might argue there is another set out there. VTT Vargas, they sell a turbo kit. They're actually Garrett's, and look it up. I think they're $9,000. They're twin Garrett's, 35 something, whatever. But the thing is, they're Garrett's. They weren't designed just for our motors, guys. The outlets and the manifolds and all that were just, you know, designed to fit the turbos and work on our cars. But those turbos were not designed for our platforms. Therefore, these are the biggest twins ever specifically designed for the N54 motor. All right, guys, and that's about to wrap it up with the video for the review on the MMP 53s. I'm very excited to run them, as I said. Don't really care any of the negative opinions that a lot of people in the groups have. Like, it doesn't faze me at all. Like, it literally doesn't faze me. I have these turbos in front of me. They're going on a built motor with a ported head, fully built motor, full valve train, closed deck, ported head. Every single goodie, guys. We might even cam it. It's coming out of the machine shop now. Here's the update. It's coming out of the machine shop now. It should be back at Michael's within a week. And he's just gonna start assembling it now that we got the closed deck and the blocks all machined up. So we're excited for that. Few more months. I expect at least 2 more months before the engine's starting to go in the 335i. So stick with me, guys. We got the 535 XI. I'm gonna do a full video on it, show you guys a walk around where we started. It's gonna be fun. Oh, it's my new daily. I got rid of that Dodge Avenger. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Full build coming soon. We got builds on builds coming soon. I have a problem buying N54s now. I love this platform. And I hope to, you know, show you guys and inspire you guys on what we can do with our motors and engines and everything, you know? This is all for fun, guys. I know I'm never gonna get big on YouTube or nothing, and this is all for fun, dude. I just love making these videos, and I love that a lot of you like me making these videos also. So stay subscribed, guys. Peace out.